Labu, Labu, Labu. This is totally a new song from Labubu. Someone called them a ugly cute, but for me, Labubu is super cute. It's cats. Aww, but I think that one is not happy.